Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to deactivate a Facebook account. No matter why you decide to deactivate your Facebook account for privacy concern or other reasons, you can check the fourth step in this video for how to deactivate Facebook account temporarily. When you want, you can easily reactivate your account later to recover your information. Still, if you don't want to use Facebook any longer and want to permanently deactivate your Facebook, a simple guide is also included. Step 1. Go to your Facebook app, click the three lines at the top, and tap on Settings. Click on Personal Information, then choose your accounts to deactivate. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivate Account and choose your accounts here. And then tap on Continue to Account Deactivation. Other people can see your Facebook profile. Your account won't appear in searches. Your activities include your timeline, posts, photos, friends list, and about personal information are hidden from the public. Facebook will archive your account information and let you reactivate your account and recover the information with ease. The information is still visible in these private messages you sent to your friends before may be still visible. Your Facebook account name may be still seen in your friends list. Your posts and comments on other people's accounts. If you keep the Facebook Messenger active when deactivating, you can still chat with your friends on Messenger after deactivating your Facebook account. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.